Today I want you to create your own multiplication and division word problems. Let's first start with multiplication. Remember that in multiplication you have equal groups of something repeated to find out a whole amount. So one way to write a multiplication word problem is to start with the equation you want to solve. So maybe you're going to start with something easy like 5 times 6 equals 30. So you need to figure out if you're going to have 5 groups of something or 6 groups of something, and if it's going to be repeated 5 times or repeated 6 times. Let's say I have 5 groups of something, and there's going to be 6 things in each group. So maybe I have 5 buses, and in each bus there are 6 kids. So my problem could be something like, there are 5 buses and 6 kids on each bus. How many kids are there riding the bus? And then I've asked you to draw a picture to show your answer. So you're showing me that you understand that it's 5 groups or 5 buses. And you could add a lot more detail in your pictures than I am. You could make these actually look like buses if you wanted to. And you could draw 6 kids in each bus, or you could just tell me that there are 6 in each bus, and then I would be able to see that you know it was 5 groups of 6 kids, which equals 30 kids. In word problems, it's really important that you label the answer as well. Okay, let's do a more complicated problem. Let's say that you have 13 times 9. And I don't know what that is off the top of my head, but let's say that this time the 9 is going to be my group. And I'm going to say that this is actually going to be games played. And this is my amount, and I'm going to say these are points scored. So my problem could be something like your favorite basketball player scores 13 points a game. They played 9 games this season. How many points did they score? How many points total? So, in this problem, you would show me that you understood that it was 9 different games that they played, and in each game they scored 13 points. And you could add these up, or you could multiply them. We have 13 points times 9 games. And you could do this 2 different ways. You could separate out the 13 into 10 and 3, and you're multiplying both by 9. So that would be 90 and 27, which would give us 117 points. Or you could do something like the traditional algorithm and get the same answer, but remember to label your answer. Okay, good luck on writing a multiplication problem. You're going to do the same thing for division. So this time, though, instead, think about division as the whole amount of something separated into equal groups. It's just the reverse of multiplication. You could start with something like you have 48 ice cream bars, and in each box there are 4, and I know that my answer would be 12, because I know that 12 times 4 is 48. So I could say something like, you have 48 ice cream bars. Oop. There are 4 boxes. How many bars in each box? And then I've asked you to draw a picture to go with this. So you know that you're going to have 4 boxes of ice cream bars. And you could go through and count and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. And then you would count how many bars in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bars in each box. And that would be your proof that you know that if you had 48 ice cream bars and you divided it into 4 boxes, you would get 12 bars in each box. You could also do something a little more complicated. Maybe you want to do something like there are 176 books at your library, and each shelf holds 11 books. How many books on each shelf? And so you need to visualize what's happening there. So you know that there's going to be 11 shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And if I go back, you can put 11 books on each shelf. Ooh, so I actually have to figure out how many shelves there are. So I actually don't want that kind of drawing. I'm probably going to start off by taking my 176 books, and I'm going to make equal groups. So I would have 11 on this shelf, 11 on this shelf, 11 on this shelf. And so far I know that 11 times 3 is 33. And I'm going to repeat that again. And now I have 66 books. And I'm going to repeat that one more time. And 66 plus 33 more is 99 books. I'm getting closer to that 176. I'm wondering if I add 3 more shelves, how many books I now have. Let's see, 99 plus 33 is 142. Okay. Oops. Now I have 142 books. Now I need to add 11 more, 11 more, 11 more. I'm just guessing right now. 142 plus 33. Let's see. That's 5, 7, 1. Okay, I'm really close here. I have 175 now. So I don't want any more shelves because now I just have 1 book left over. So I would need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 shelves. So I know that 175 divided by 11 would give me 16 shelves with 1 book left. Now, you can pick a much simpler problem for your division problems. Pick one that you can solve. So if you know that 3 times 12 equals 36, you could do the opposite of 36 divided by 3 equals 12, or 36 divided by 12 equals 3. You could do 9 times 5 equals 45, and then we would also know that 45 divided by 9 equals 5, or 45 divided by 5 equals 9. Just pick a problem that you can turn into a word problem that's going to make sense for you, and good luck.